Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook budget-friendly, flavorful, economical, healthy, easy, nutritious and delicious vegetable. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fry onion in oil or butter for a while on medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, add garlic and ginger. After 2 minutes of frying, add vegetable and tomatoes. Add turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon, salt, quarter teaspoon, red chili powder, quarter teaspoon, chicken powder, 1 tablespoon, and 1 pinch of mixed herbs. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Add half liter chicken stock or lukewarm water. Let vegetable cook on medium to low heat till it gets soft and tender. As it becomes tender, turn off heat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice and mix well. Flavorful, economical, healthy, easy, nutritious, budget-friendly, and delicious vegetable is ready to serve now. We hope you will give it a try. Enjoy and share with your family, friends, and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.